Okie dokie, a moment of truth. See what happens if this power's on. Ah, bright light. It's bright. Well, we got keyboard power. Got that. Now let's see if we can switch. Yep, we got power. Yeah, workies. Now, can we switch back? Yeah, it works. Okie dokie. So it works. The Tower of Power works. Or Tower of Chaos, I should actually say. Dumpster fire. But I can easily switch now between computers. I can actually hook up one more monitor to it too. Actually, 3 monitors, I think. It's like a 3 monitor, 2 computer deal. So, but yeah, switches real easily. And yeah, so yeah, no, that's the cable mess, but at least it's easier to manage, kinda. But anyways, yeah. Let's actually get shit created. So. Well, what I am going to do is I'm going to reformat both PCs to the latest Windows, and whatever happens, happens. So, but it works. That's AMD, Intel, this top. Oh no, this one's AMD, but anyways, finally. Actually, it don't look too bad like that. I mean, the wires in the back do, but I don't care anymore. Yeah, I'm just tired. I'm old, tired. Leave me alone. You know, there's cables. It could be actually a lot worse, so. First world problems, but yeah. Finally get the server rack to actually be a server rack. So, anyways, yeah. To Computers, Coffee, and Chaos, and whatever happens, happens. Roll nice, take chance. Definitely done on that, so. Toodles.